When people eat my food, basically I just want them to be happy. I just really love cooking. My name is Tama and I'm in the AEG kitchen, and we are cooking a really gentle custard that is going to be unexpectedly spicy with crunchy praline, all the beautiful warming spices to it. This dish is based on a really classic Sri Lankan dessert called watalapam. You know, that idea of custard, you can kind of build whatever flavours you want onto that. But with this dish, we're just pushing that whole idea of spice and herbs a little bit further, so it's kind of more than just sugar and eggs. We're using Jaggery, which is a Sri Lankan palm sugar. So it's kind of got a deeper, earthier flavour. Again, works really well with the spices. We also infuse some fresh bay leaves into the custard base. Fresh bay leaves have a really beautiful aromatic herbal note. You've got the bitter, you've got the sweet, you've got crunchy texture from the praline, you've got kind of salt and pepper, which makes it a little bit spicy. So we've got cloves, we've got cardamom, we've got cinnamon. What you find in a lot of Sri Lankan cooking is spices get used everywhere. I think sometimes spices can be scary because people don't know how to use them and combine them, but they're actually a blank canvas. Oh, look at that jiggly. We have here a spiced jaggery custard with a cashew nut, black sesame, black pepper and salty praline.